When I was young and I was in high school, I was in like many AP science classes, AP math. There weren't a lot of people, A, that looked like me, or B, that had backgrounds like I did. Hi, I'm Noelle Bowlin. I'm a PhD student in the Biological Oceanography program at Scripps Institution of Oceanography, and I'm also a research fishery biologist at the Southwest Fishery Science Center, which is a part of NOAA. I work on a really interesting part of the ocean, which is the midwater region, and that's really starts at about 200 meters below the surface to 1,000 meters below the surface. Fishes in that region have to have so many adaptations to deal with the intense pressure, the intense cold, and the dark environment that they live in. At NOAA, I go to sea, I collect plankton samples, and they get sorted. I take the little vials of larval fishes and fish eggs and squid paralarvae that have been sorted out, and then I take those vials, I put them under the microscope, and I identify them to species as best I can. Really exciting for me to know that I'm helping to describe fishes that we don't know as much about as we do, say, sardines or anchovies or tunas or swordfishes. It's really interesting how I got into marine science because in high school, I knew I wanted to study biology. I thought I was going to study plants and insects, terrestrial ecology, which is what one of my undergraduate degrees is in. And I went to UC San Diego as an undergrad, which was really exciting. No one in my family besides my brother had gone to college, so we were very excited. One important thing that I try to tell young women and girls when I'm speaking with them, in addition to it's really important to study hard and work hard and not be afraid to work hard, because it'll only benefit you. It's a wonderful thing when you work hard and you see the fruits of your labor. I want people to not be afraid, especially young girls, to not be intimidated, to ask for help. You have to ask for help. None of us have gotten here on our own, solely on our own. No scientist sits in their laboratory or in their office and does their own work without collaborating with others, without talking with others, learning from others. And I haven't been afraid to ask. And I haven't been afraid to work hard. So given those things and being surrounded by really wonderful people that want to help and answer questions and offer their good fortunes as well, I've gotten here and I plan to go farther with it. But I plan to bring people along with me. Those people that aren't afraid to work hard, that will ask questions and will teach others.